Have you ever wondered how you can make $1,000 per day by just posting inspiring videos on YouTube? Welcome to the era where creativity, passion, and digital technology meet to create a unique opportunity for you. YouTube, with its billions of users worldwide, has evolved into more than just a video sharing platform. It's a bustling marketplace, a launchpad for entrepreneurs, and a goldmine for content creators. Today, we're going to explore this potential, uncover the secrets of successful YouTubers, and guide you on how to start your own channel and monetize it. We'll dive into the art of creating inspiring content, the ins and outs of monetization, and the strategies to grow your channel. And it's not just about the money, it's about turning your passion into profit, your ideas into income. Imagine turning your passion for creating inspiring content into a profitable endeavor. It's not just a dream, it's a realistic goal that you can achieve. Before earning, you need a YouTube channel. But worry not, it's as easy as pie. Let's begin with the basics. To start your own YouTube channel, you'll need a Google account. This is your passport to all things Google, including YouTube. If you don't have one yet, creating one is simple and straightforward. Once you've logged into YouTube with your Google account, navigate to the settings. There, you'll find the option to create a new channel. Now this is where the fun begins. Choosing a channel name is akin to naming your newborn. It should be unique, catchy, and reflective of what your channel is all about. Remember, your channel name is your identity on this platform, and it's what people will use to find you. So take your time, brainstorm, and pick a name that's just right. Once you've picked a name, it's time to define the concept or theme for your channel. This is crucial. Your theme is the backbone of your channel, the glue that binds your content together. It's what tells your viewers what to expect, what kind of content you'll be providing, and why they should subscribe to your channel. Your theme could be anything that you're passionate about. Love cooking? Make it a food channel? Got a knack for makeup? Start a beauty channel. Can't stop talking about books? Launch a book review channel. The sky's the limit. The key is to pick a theme that you love, something that you can talk about all day, every day, without getting bored. Remember, consistency is key. Your theme should be coherent across all your videos. This way, your viewers will know what to expect, and they'll keep coming back for more. Now, you might be thinking, but what if I have multiple interests? Worry not. You can always create multiple channels for different themes. The beauty of YouTube is that it allows you to express all aspects of your personality. Now that you have your very own YouTube channel, it's time to fill it with inspiring content. Scene script, content is king, and in YouTube, it's the kingmaker. Let's delve into the world of content creation, where you're not just a creator but an artist, painting a picture with words and visuals, evoking emotions and inspiring action. The types of content that resonate with viewers are as diverse as the viewers themselves. From motivational talks to awe-inspiring travel videos, from enlightening educational content to heartwarming personal stories, the possibilities are endless. Quality is paramount. It's not just about the resolution of your videos, it's about the resolution of your ideas, the clarity of your message. It's about choosing topics that matter, researching thoroughly, and presenting your content in an engaging and accessible way. Consistency, on the other hand, is the rhythm to your YouTube symphony. It's about creating a reliable schedule and sticking to it, about building anticipation and meeting expectations. It's about becoming a familiar voice in the cacophony of content, a voice that your viewers can trust and look forward to. Now, how do you create inspiring content? Start with passion. Find topics that ignite a fire in you because your enthusiasm will be contagious. Then, find the why. Why should your viewers care about this topic? What impact can it have on their lives? Once you've found your why, the how becomes much easier. Use storytelling techniques to captivate your audience. Create a narrative arc in your videos, with a beginning that hooks, a middle that informs and entertains, and an ending that leaves your viewers feeling inspired and enriched. Don't be afraid to show vulnerability. Authenticity resonates with viewers. Share your struggles, your victories, your journey. Let your viewers feel connected to you. Let them see their own stories reflected in yours. Lastly, always be open to feedback. Listen to your viewers, engage with them, learn from them. They are your greatest critics and your greatest supporters. Remember, your content is your voice. Make it inspiring, make it heard. Now, let's turn those views into dollars. You've got your channel up and running, you're creating content that inspires, and your views are climbing. So how do you start making money from this? Well, that's what we're going to explore in this segment. The primary way to monetize your YouTube channel is through ad revenue. And that's where the YouTube Partner Program comes into play. The YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, allows creators to share in the revenue from ads displayed on their videos. But, like any good club, there are a few requirements you need to meet before you can join. First, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Second, you need to have racked up at least 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. And third, you have to comply with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines. Once you've met these criteria, you can apply for the YPP and, if approved, start earning from ad revenue. But don't put all your eggs in the ad revenue basket. There are other ways to monetize your channel too. For example, sponsorships can be a lucrative source of income. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products or services. If your content aligns with a brand's values, they might be willing to pay you for a shout-out or a product placement in your videos. Then there's merchandise. If you've built a loyal following, your fans might be interested in buying merchandise related to your channel. This could be anything from t-shirts and mugs to digital products like ebooks or courses. And finally, don't forget about crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon allow your fans to support you financially, often in exchange for exclusive content or perks. So there you have it. Monetizing your YouTube channel isn't just about ad revenue. It's about exploring all the avenues available to you and finding the ones that best suit your content and your audience. Remember, your inspiring content can inspire your bank account too. You've started, you've created, you've monetized. Now, it's time to grow. Growing your YouTube channel is a synergy of several key strategies, and the first one is engagement. Engaging with your viewers is crucial. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community. By fostering a sense of belonging, viewers are more likely to return and share your content. But engagement doesn't stop at the comment section. Social media platforms are your friends. Use them to promote your channel. Share snippets of your videos, announce when a new video is out, or even tease upcoming content. This cross-platform strategy not only helps grow your audience, but also keeps them excited and invested. Another strategy is collaborations. Working with other YouTubers can expose your channel to a new audience. It's a win-win situation where both parties get to share and grow their viewer base. Look for channels with similar content or ethos as yours, reach out, and propose a collaboration. Now let's talk about improving your content. This is an ongoing process. As your channel grows, so should the quality of your content. Invest in better equipment, learn new editing techniques, or even take public speaking classes to improve your delivery. Remember, you're not just making videos, you're creating an experience for your viewers. Lastly, don't forget about SEO. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will make your videos more discoverable. But remember, while keywords are important, they should feel natural and not forced. Consistency is also key. Regularly uploading videos keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. But remember, quality over quantity always. It's better to have one well-made video a week than 5 mediocre ones. Growing your channel is a journey. Enjoy the ride and reap the rewards. Remember, every successful YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. It's not about the destination, but the journey. Keep creating, keep improving, and most importantly, keep inspiring. Making $1,000 per day by posting inspiring videos on YouTube is a journey, not a sprint. We've covered a lot of ground today, from setting up your YouTube channel to crafting content that inspires. We've talked about monetizing your channel and the importance of consistent growth strategies. Remember, each step is crucial in carving your path towards a successful YouTube journey. It's about finding your unique voice, sharing your passion, and building a community that resonates with your content. And while the prospect of earning $1,000 a day can seem daunting, it's entirely within your reach. It's about dedication, creativity, and a bit of strategic planning. So don't hesitate. Start your journey today. Dive into the world of YouTube and let your passion lead the way. Remember, every successful YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. Your journey starts today. So go inspire, create, and earn.